back to our new lesson in tourism promotion. By the way, my name is Mr. Alejandro Gabriel A. Santos, your tourism teacher. And our topic for today is the role automated in tourism industry. Okay, so our objective is to discuss the role automated in industry, to identify the role of automate system. Okay, so role of it is in tourism, management information system. Okay, what is tourism industry? Tourism is defined as a travel and stay of non-resident. It is the most remarkable economic and social phenomena in the world. So we have a three components in tourism industry. First, we have a attraction sector. Second is accommodation sector. And third is transport sector. So, first is attraction sector. Video by Holland Tourism, internet website of Blue Ridge Travel, travel documentary, and television advertising. Okay, si attraction sector, dito tayo nag-advertise ng mga tinatawag natin in tourism industry na mga brochure, attraction sector, video by Holland Tourism, internet website of Blue Ridge Travel, travel documentary, television advertising. Dito natin hinihikayat ang mga turista or mga clients natin sa pamamagitan ng pag-attract ng we have advertising in television, mamimigay ng brochure o travel documentary, or kaya sa mga maglalagay ng internet website para puntahan nila at sila ay ang tumangkilik ng mga produkto natin. Okay, accommodation sector, call the travel agency and get expert advice. Video entertainment programs available at accommodation units. Katulad na lang po ni Trivago. Okay, pwede ka na lang dyan mag-type ng gusto mong pupuntahang accommodation sector. Kung mga hotels natin, pwede ka na lang mag-book via online. We have a travel agency. Pwede kang tumawag dun at makakuha ng expert advice kung ano bang mas magandang pumunta sa pupuntahan mong lugar. Okay? Transport sector facilitates the movement of holiday makers, airplane coaches, bus, and taxis equipped with communication equipment. Regular updates given by tour guide and tour company about touring process through radio communication system. Okay, facilitate the movement of holiday makers daw. We have a airplane, coaches, bus, and taxis na pwede natin gamitin ang pag-transport natin sa mga bawat pumupuntahan natin. Okay, in tourism industry. So we have new innovative technologies, collaborative filtering, automatic prediction, process and filtering for information or patterns using techniques. Okay, we have a Barnes and Noble and SkyMall and Amazon. Some US po yan. Pero meron din po tayo sa Philippines. We have Shopee, Lazada, tsaka kung Carousel. So pwede na po tayo mag-shopping through new innovative technologies. Okay? So, hindi na po natin kailangan mag-face-to-face. Okay? So, we have a personalized software for providing to strengthen consumer relationship. So, sa elements of personalization system, we had identify site visitor, retrieve visitor profile, select content that matches visitor preference, retrieve content and assembly page of display of visitors. Boom. Innovative technologies, personalized software, profiling to strengthen consumer relationship. So we have a elements of personalization system. So we have identified site visitor, retrieve visitors profile, select content that matches visitor preference, retrieve content and assembly page for display to visitor. So we have an ID, password, interest, role, business needs, and we have a content. Okay. So, new innovative technologies, electronic payments. Okay, sa panahon po ngayon, sa pandemic panahon po ngayon, so we have na kailangan natin ng may electronic payments na po tayo ngayon. So, we have a credit card, ATMs, na pwede natin pambayad kung may tayo ay may kinakailangan na bilhin. Okay? So, meron din po tayong online word of mouth. So, we have a lot of travel agency na pwede natin puntahan na naman po natin online word of mouth. Ito po yung mga tinatawag natin social media. So we have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube na pwede natin tignan about sa tourism industry. Okay. So we have a global distribution system o tinatawag natin GDS. Okay, si GDS po ay ginagamit po yan sa airports kung paano po ang mga clients natin magbo-book ng flights, okay? Diyan po nila nakikita kung nakabook po talaga sila or hindi. Ang mostly ginagamit po ng mga travel agency at ang airport ay ang Amadeus. Okay, Amadeus system. So, advantage of it in tourism, increase access information, increase ability to research competitors, greater exposure to potential customers, timely information exchange, increase access to vendors and suppliers, a better way to sell service, lowered cost of doing business. So our assessment is essay. Write an essay about the modern automated system about tourism industry. So our assignment is advanced reading about function of the information system in tourism industry.